Wake up. You won't survive if you don't learn how to live. There's one way to get it. Rise and grind. Become more focused, more disciplined, and be willing to take a few risks. Above all, be grateful and use every tool at your disposal to become better at where you want to be. Chase the dream. This is where we're at. And this is where we want to be. You want to see how we do it? Follow along. Project 253. It's the story, a documentary. Us doing our thing, getting to where we want to be. Every step it takes. Every obstacle. Every victory. No one! Starting on Tuesdays, top fives. Top 5 things we do and don't like about cars, about the scene, about the whole topic. Throwback Thursdays. A look at what I've done way before the car stuff. All the way back to 1996. Me, my crew, you get to learn where we've been, who we are, where we come from, so you'll know where we're going. Along with the regular vlog, step by step, keeping you guys up to date with everything that's going on, behind the scenes, in the shop, at the track. We're gonna keep it going. It's 2019. Time to step it up. Let's enjoy the ride.